Christmas, the giving keys.
Woo!
And I got hired for Chrysalis. Well, Chrysalis was the one that sent me to the giving keys. I'd say about a year ago, and I worked on a campaign with Erica and Kylie and Angela, and it was for People Magazine. And Erica felt that I'd done such a great job that she told me if she ever had anything else, that she would bring me back. And she brought me back. She gave me so much hope. So much. And I'm just so grateful today. Because I've been with Chrysalis for maybe about 3 years. And I've done, quite a few jobs with Chrysalis. And I had this one job that I thought they were going to hire me. And they made budget cuts and they didn't hire me. And it hurt. It hurt really bad. It did something to my self-esteem and everything, but I hung in there. I hung in there and I kept on showing up, suiting up, doing everything they asked me to do. And I'm with a great family, and I can say it is truly family. This is Caitlin. She's the owner of the company, one of the most gracious ladies I ever met before in my life. She truly loves us. I mean, she truly loves us. And there's nothing in the world she wouldn't do for us. My cup is full today. I'm just so happy. I'm so grateful. And I have a key, and my key says hope. And I told Erica one day that she gave me a lot of hope. And so today, I didn't think I would ever give this key away. But today, I want to give this key to somebody who needs some hope today. And I just love you guys. And thanks for hanging in there with me. Thank you. Deborah, Elizabeth, Scott. I just love you all. Michael, Felicia. And there's another young lady that she's not here anymore. Her name was Miss Alice. I want to thank her too. And I thank my family at the Giving Keys. Thank you. Yay! That are going through the classes and just stay strong and hang in there. Do everything they ask you to do. Everything they ask you to do, you do it. Sometimes you might feel like you want to give up. I know I did. But this lady right here, she wouldn't let me give up. And that gentleman back there, he wouldn't let me give up. Scott, yeah, they would not let me give up. And there were a lot of days I cried. I was hurt. I came in here crying to death a lot of times. But I hung in there. So just hang in there, because it will happen. It happened for me. It's not going to happen when you want it to. It may not be like I thought that desk job. I thought that was mine. But that's not what God had intended for me. He had something better for me. Scott told me yesterday that I wear my heart on my sleeve. He said, this is the company that I belong with because people like me work there. So this is my family. So I just thank you guys again. Yeah.